Hello, today I'm in Audi A6. In this video I'll show you how to enable and disable cruise control. In the beginning, let's take a look under the steering wheel. Right here we've got this lever. To enable cruise control, you have to pull this lever to on position and again pull it once. Now take a look at the speedometer. Right here you can see that the cruise control is now enabled. If you want to use it, of course you have to drive and accelerate to desired speed and then press the set button located right here. If you want to increase the speed, push the lever upwards, decrease the speed, push the lever downwards. If you want to turn it off, push the lever twice forward. Also you can cancel, which means pause the cruise control by slightly pulling it forward, or reset to firstly set speed by pulling the lever like this, while the cruise control is enabled. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.